We've been hearing a lot about rate in 2024, and insurance rates are going up, as you know. One of the reasons we've seen auto insurance rates go up are inflation. You know it, we know it, no need to explain. There's been a lot more accidents, and insurance companies have been paying for them. Unfortunately, after COVID, we decided to drive and not very well. It's like we forgot. Some other things to think about is new cars. So, a lot of people took the opportunity when they had a little extra cash in their pocket, maybe from COVID, to buy a brand new car. Or maybe it was just time, or maybe there was an accident and they needed to. Those cars are more expensive and they're going to raise your premium because it costs more to replace them. Other things to think about is they're more expensive to repair. So, in the event of a fender bender that used to just be maybe a metal piece that we hammered out, made look shiny again, we've got sensors and cameras and a lot of extra tech that takes extra time to fix and replace. Something else to think about is that there's been a large rise in lawsuits. So we're going to see the cost of our insurance go up with all of those lawsuits that are coming across the board. It's not your fault, it's not my fault, but it's someone's fault. And we're all paying for it. Other things to think about is your credit score. But the better your credit score, the better chances you are of having a great insurance rate. So get that credit score up, and you're going to see lower insurance rates. One of the best things about that is if you haven't done a credit check on your insurance in a couple years and you know that you've been working on your credit score, is you can ask your insurance agent on renewal to have your credit rerun. They're going to rerun your credit, and chances are you'll be able to get more coverage at a lower rate because your credit was affecting your rate. So again, ask for a re-rate around renewal. I hope this helps you understand a little bit more of why insurance rates are a little high in 2024 for your auto insurance.